Alright, so me, Kate Callentine, Josh Hamlet, stuck in this like horrible weather. There's an E right there. Why don't we just knock on this guy's door, kick the shit out of him, take his automobile, and just leave? I know Josh is down. It's gotten a lot harder. Do you really want to love me forever? Oh, no.
Key Optima. I can drive.
I don't know. Great Kai, what's happening?
I'm getting wet. What?
Meow, he is here.
All right, Josh, you go first. We just got invited to this guy's garage. We're doing it. Go. Josh, just go. Josh, go. Puddle. Ah! Ah! I'm so wet now. Thanks.
Yeah.
So we got invited to this guy's house. Now we're playing ping pong. Real talk.
Bounce it off mine for 7 years?
You can bounce it and then hit it.
Wait, hold on, I'll go. Well, thanks for Geller for Miami Dolphins.
It's not Miami Dolphins.
It's a joke. It's the Green Bay Packers.
Oh, obviously you don't know.
Okay, you guys are going crazy. Yeah. 1-1.
There you go. Hey, right above there.
1-2.